In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost a post using Meta Business Suite. Boosting a post is a quick way to extend your reach beyond your current followers without building a full ad campaign from scratch. You'll use your existing content, add a goal, define who should see it, set a budget and time frame, and then let Meta deliver it to more people who are likely to engage. First, open a browser and go to business.facebook.com. Once the dashboard loads, select the page you want to promote from. Make sure you're working in the correct page, since your settings and budget will apply to that specific page. Next, head to the content section. This is where all your recent posts live. Scroll or use filters to find the specific post you want to boost. Choose a post that's already getting some organic traction and clearly communicates what you want viewers to do, whether that's liking, commenting, visiting your website, or signing up. Strong visuals, a concise caption, and a clear call to action usually perform best. When you found the right post, click Boost Post. This opens the setup panel where you'll define how the promotion should run. Think of this as a lightweight campaign builder designed for speed and simplicity. Start by setting your goal. Pick the option that aligns with your outcome. Engagement is great if you want more likes, comments, saves, and shares to build social proof. Leads is ideal when you need signups or inquiries. Website visits is best when your priority is sending people to a specific page. Choose the one that matches your intent so the system can optimize delivery accordingly. Now choose your audience, budget, and duration. For your audience, define who should see the post based on factors like location, interests, or demographics. Keep it relevant to your message, broad enough to scale, but specific enough to stay efficient. For budget, set an amount you're comfortable testing. A modest daily spend can be enough to validate performance before you scale up. For duration, select how long the boost should run. A few days to a week is a practical window to gather meaningful results without overspending. Once everything looks right, click Boost. That's your final confirmation. Your post will now be promoted to a wider audience based on your settings, and delivery will begin after Meta processes the promotion. And that's it. Quick, clear, and effective. With the right goal, audience, budget, and duration, your content can reach more of the people who matter most.